Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to Shopify Horizon Theme. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click Login right here. Enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will lead you to the Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store. Then scroll down until you see the theme library. Then click Customize right here. This action will lead you to the Shopify editor. In here on the left panel, click on Theme Settings. Then click Logo and Favicon right here. Here in the Favicon section, click on Select. Then click Upload Image to upload a photo from your computer. And then, once it's done uploading, click on Done right here. It's important to be reminded that the recommended and most compatible size for a Shopify favicon is 16 by 16 pixels. Once you're done, click on Save right here to save your changes. And that is how you can add a favicon to Shopify Horizon Theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.